Summer is here, vacation season has started, but there's one thing I'm definitely not leaving behind: good coffee. If you're like me and can't survive on hotel instant coffee, this is my travel coffee setup I'm actually taking with me. I wanted something compact, easy to pack, and capable of making real espresso wherever I go. After trying different setups, this is the one I've been using recently. It's lightweight, doesn't take much space in my luggage, and most importantly, it makes really good coffee. Let's start with the grinder. I'm using the Geimori T38 electric grinder. I've reviewed this grinder before, and it honestly became one of my favorites. It's very compact, feels solid and premium, and the weight actually gives it quality feel. It charges with USB-C, so I don't need to carry another special charger. For espresso, it takes a little longer than larger grinders. But when you're on vacation, who cares? You just press the button and let it do the work while you prepare everything else. The grind consistency is surprisingly good, and it's more than capable of grinding fine enough for espresso. Now for the fun part. This is the MHW3 Bomber, the Express 58. It's a portable espresso maker that uses a standard 58mm basket, and that's a huge advantage. It means you can actually use many of your espresso tools you have at home. It feels robust, well designed, and very premium. You also get this very useful stand, so it's actually like take your little coffee counter everywhere you go. And this little case makes it even easier to travel with wherever you go. It also has a USB-C charger. You don't even need to boil the water, it makes everything for you. And yes, also here you still have to wait 2 to 4 minutes to get your espresso done, but like I said, it's a vacation mode. The espresso has a rich color and a nice syrupy texture. And just another little item I always take with me is a good coffee scale. I'm using the IKAPE V2 Smart Coffee Scale. It's compact, it's smart, and it fits easily in my suitcase. I use it to weigh my coffee dose and monitor my espresso yield, so I stay consistent wherever I am. It's one of those small tools that makes a surprisingly huge difference. For me, this setup is a complete win, because I mostly drink espresso. But if you're really into milk drinks, I would definitely add the Subminimal NanoFoamer Pro. It creates silky microfoam for cappuccinos and lattes without needing a steam wand. The concept is pretty simple. You choose your magnetic foam controller and place it inside. Then you pour in your milk. Choose one of the programs. The machine automatically starts. The machine heats and textures the milk automatically. The foam is incredibly fine, not the dried bubble foam you get in other machines. It is much closer to the silky microfoam you would expect from a proper steam wand. No big bubbles, just smooth microfoam. This is exactly what helps create latte art. So together, this setup gives you almost everything you need to have a great coffee while you're away from home. And one last tip, don't forget to pack your favorite coffee beans. Even the best travel setup can't make great coffee without great beans. So that's my travel coffee setup for this summer. It's compact, easy to pack, and lets me enjoy great coffee anywhere I go. I honestly can't imagine going on vacation without this setup anymore. If you like my coffee setup, you can find all the links in the description. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.